Hi, my name is Sydney Scott Sam, and I'll be answering your audio creative questions in this episode.
Welcome to the Ask and Answer podcast, where all your questions as an audio creative will be answered by experts and industry leaders. Are you ready? Now, let's get into the episode. The question for this episode says, as an audio creative, I am ready to level up my craft, but I have no idea on what to do with branding, especially online branding. Please help me out with that.
Think about your ideal listener. Who are they? Now imagine their day. What problem does your brand solve for them? When they come across your podcast, your visuals, or anything from your brand, what's going to instantly catch their attention? More importantly, how can you quickly add value to their day and get them excited to hear more from you? Your brand, that's the feeling, the impression you leave behind every single time someone interacts with you. So be intentional. Decide, do you want to come across like a friend, a coach, a mentor, or something totally unique? This intention then shapes everything. The colors you use, your fonts, the photos you choose, and even what you wear on your shows. It's also about a great soundtrack, the guests you have on, and crucially, the little snippets you share online. Make sure these snippets deliver instant value and always have a clear call to action that points people back to your podcast. And don't forget to be where your audience is. Join those online communities and keep delivering that value. Stay consistent with this approach over time, and you will absolutely start to see your brand grow and connect with the right people.
Alright, that's all for today on the Ask and Answer podcast. Thank you to our special guest for answering this episode's question, and to anyone listening, if you loved what you heard, then be sure to share and subscribe to our podcast. Don't forget to send in your questions using the link in the description. Thank you for listening. We'll see you again in the next episode. Bye.